Hannah, are you having a good time? What do you like best? Okay, well guess where we're going? To the beach and swim.
We went to the Marriott on Marco Island in the summer of 2010, skeptically looking for paradise. We asked ourselves, what is paradise anyway? Is it a place, a person, a thing, or an idea? We simply didn't know. All we wanted to do was go to the beach, relax, have some fun, and spend quality time together. Should paradise present itself, all the better. Here's what happened.
See.
Sunset.
Is it beautiful?
Yes. I never seen like this until here. We never get these in Georgia.
Is this paradise?
Yes, it's paradise.
Mommy?
It's paradise.
And look over.
It's gone.
It's gone.
And so back to the definition of paradise. Did we find it to be a person, a place, a thing, or an idea? Actually, we found it to be everything. All of the above. It was the combination of the right place, at the right time, in the right situation. We want to thank the Marriott on Marco Island for giving us an absolutely magnificent time, and we truly did find paradise.